Neuralink's future vision by Elon Musk is really insane.
We only just had our first Neuralink in a human, which is going quite well. The first product we call telepathy, where you can control your computer and phone, and through your computer and phone, almost anything, just by thinking. You can play video games, download software, like really anything you can do with a mouse, just by thinking, which is pretty wild. I should say there's a long way to go from that to a whole brain interface. So our current Neuralink just has 1,000 electrodes. I think ultimately you need something which has probably 100,000 or 1,000,000 electrodes. Now these are very tiny electrodes. They're tiny wires, way smaller than a human hair. I just want to emphasize a long way from where Neuralink is today to having a whole brain interface. But this is definitely physically possible. It's sort of kind of like, if you can't beat him, join him. So our human brain, which has a lot of constraints. We only have about maybe 10 watts of higher brain function. You'll have kind of a whole brain interface that I guess is a sort of perhaps a form of immortality in that if it can kind of upload your brain state to if your brain state is essentially stored, you're kind of backed up on a hard drive, I suppose. Then you can always restore that brain state into a biological body or maybe a robot or something. And I want to emphasize again, it's like many years in the future, but we're not breaking any laws of physics. Like, I think this is probably something that will happen.